Here's the thing with watches, they're not designed to be opened regularly. If your watch is still under warranty, we recommend not to open it yourself, and why would you? If you have a problem with a new watch, you can always contact an authorized dealer to take care of the matter. Having said that, there may still be reasons why you may want to take a look at the movement of a used watch, for example, or if you want to check the superficial condition or if the movement is correct for a certain reference or serial number. Now, how are you going to open your watch? First of all, make sure that you have a watch with a screw-down case back. How can you check this? Look at the back of the watch. If there are small indentations around the reverse of the case, then your watch has a screw-down case back. If there are no indentations visible, then you very likely have a watch with a snap-off case back. So, what do you need to open a screw-down case back? Basically two things, a watch case wrench and a case holder. As you can see, the bracelet of the watch has been removed here. It isn't absolutely necessary to remove the bracelet before you open a watch case, but it is an easy way to do it, and it'll help us here for illustrative purposes. First, securely place the watch case in the watch case holder and make sure that the watch is held tight and can't move. If it's not held tight enough, this may result in stains or even smaller dents. However, this doesn't mean that you should put as much force on it as you can. This also can potentially damage the surface of the watch case. As is often the case, it's all about striking a happy medium. Technically, you could even place the watch in your hand and unscrew it there. This makes a particular sense if, for instance, you wanted to work on a chronograph's case back that features pushers, which could be damaged when being clamped into the case holder. Now, grip the watch holder with your weaker hand and use the other hand to hold the wrench and slowly turn it counterclockwise to open the watch. Once fully opened, you can now lift off the case back with your hand. While grabbing the disc, make sure that you don't touch any of the delicate mechanics of the movement. We recommend keeping the watch in the watch case holder as long as the watch is open. This way, you'll not have to fix the case into the case holder again when you close the watch. When closing the watch, we recommend turning the case back in the opposite direction first to make sure it properly locks into place. Once it's latched evenly, make sure you screw the case back tight enough to ensure that no water or dust can enter. You can apply some force, but please don't overdo this. You could be potentially damaging the watch. Usually you'll start feeling a stronger resistance once you've reached the seal ring. You can continue to screw until you've reached the point where the case back wouldn't move unless you used brute force. This is the case once the metal of the case back disc touches the watch case. Once this is the case, your watch case is fully closed and you can remove the watch from the case holder.